Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And today we are going to do oxidized jewelry try on haul. Yes, and all the oxidized jewelries are going to be under rupees 300. So yeah, that is the main highlight of this video. So I'm going to share with you a bunch of nice jewelries that we can pair up with Indian clothes, Indo-Western clothes. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video. So if you guys like my this video or like my regular content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, the link will be given in the description as well as on the screen. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, let's start with earrings first because I've got a bunch of those, and then we'll move on to neck pieces and then bracelets and bangles and all of that. So let's start with these beautiful pair of jhumkas, the Chandbalis I guess, and these are available everywhere. I got this from Sarojini and these were for 100 rupees only. This is how they look on me. They are so trendy, so amazing. It goes very well with this outfit as well. And yeah, you can see you can wear it with sarees, lehengas, tops, dresses, even shirts. It looks so beautiful. I love this pair. This is my absolute favorite. So this is the first one. Now moving on to the second pair of jewelry. These are my second favorite earrings in oxidized collection. You can see these are so freaking beautiful, and these were for I think 150 rupees, 120 rupees. So yeah, these are so amazing. I love this. So guys, this is how the jewelry looks on me. It looks so beautiful. It goes all the way back and you can style it in very different ways. I love this one, and yeah, I got this one from New Market. And now moving on to the third jewelry. One is this beautiful piece right here. It's so pretty. It's got three layers, and this is how it looks. This one was from a mela in front of my house. That it's from a Holi ka mela, and this one is for only 30 rupees. So this one's for 30 rupees only, and this is how it looks on me, you guys. It's so pretty, so beautiful. So yeah, this also can be paired with a lot of items. And yeah, now moving on to the next jewelry. Beautiful earrings. It's very different from all the others that I have used. So this was for 60 rupees only. So this is how it looks. Such beautiful piece. I love this one. Now we are done with the earrings. I'll go on and show you some neck pieces that I love. So the first one is this one. This is from Sarojini Nagar and I got this for only 100 rupees. So this one I bought from Sarojini, and you can find this everywhere, but I personally love it. I use it a lot. It can be worn with everything. As you can see, all the jewelries that I'm showing you can be worn with everything, but this one's especially my favorite. I love the mirror work right over here. So yeah, now moving on to the next neck piece. Next one is this. I love this one. Look at how gorgeous this one looks. Oh my god, you can definitely I am digging this look, guys. Look at it, so beautiful. So this one's again from New Market, and this one was for 230 rupees. You can see such beautiful, you can layer it up with another neck piece, and it looks so beautiful. You can wear it with sarees, lehengas, crop tops, so many options. And this one was from New Market and it's for 230 rupees. And yeah, this is how it looks. Is another piece, another oxidized piece. Look at the work. It's such beautiful meenakari work done with oxidized, and it's got pearls and emeralds and rubies. So it's like a choker, and this is how it looks. Look at this, so pretty. And this one's for 150 rupees only. So beautiful. So this is how it looks. This is another choker and it's got two earrings with it. I'm gonna wear it and show you guys. So this is how the neck piece looks. You can wear it individually without the earrings as well. See, such beautiful piece, and with the earrings. So this is how it looks with the earrings. Look at this, such a wholesome piece. So beautiful, and the whole piece is full piece 270. Can you believe it? Love it. Love this set. So pretty. So if you wanna buy this jewelry, and the last one, it's sold by one of the aunties in our society. You guys can mail me and I can tell you the shipping price according to your where you live, and we can send you the jewelry there. So yeah, this is how you guys can have a chance to get a jewelry among these two. So this is how it looks. And with all our earrings and necklaces, moving on, I'll show you the bangles and जो भी हाथ में पहनने के collections है. The first one is a pair of these beautiful bangles. Look at them, they are so pretty. Okay, this one's tied up a bit. Pretty, I love this one. I generally wear both of these in the same hand because otherwise अजीब लगता है. So I wear these in the same hand, and this is how it looks. One was 100 rupees, pair for 100 rupees, and it's so elastic and it's so easy to wear, you know. Look at this, it's very adjustable, and yeah, this is for 100 rupees. Now moving on to these pairs. These are for 100 rupees a pair, and this one I got from New Market, and this is how I wear it. It looks so pretty. So that's with this one. Now moving on to our last piece of jewelry. It is this beautiful oxidized hath ka bracelet. This is how it looks. Oh my god, it's giving me all the boho vibes. Look at this, I'm looking like the boho girl. And yeah, that is, and this one was for 150 rupees. So that sums up all my, you know, oxidized jewelry ka collection plus haul. So yeah, this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you super soon in my very next video.